Why are remote-controlled solar cleaning equipment not suitable for night cleaning? First, the blind area of vision. Blind areas of vision at night have a more serious impact on cleaning than during the day. Secondly, safety cannot be guaranteed. Following operations cannot ensure personnel safety and the safety of PV panels. Can you clean normally without following equipment? PhiCleaner's autonomous cleaning, no remote control required. Autonomous planning of cleaning routes. Go straight, 100% coverage of PV panels. Even on rainy days, it can work easily. Bureau Veritas certification ensures PV panels without microcracks after 10,000 times water cleaning. Deeply clean frame stains to maximize power generation. Keep your PV panels as clean as new. PhiCleaner's autonomous cleaning can empower a variety of PV plants. Easy cleaning even at night. PhiCleaner's autonomous cleaning, not affected by night. There is no blind spot in the field of vision, even in complete darkness. No need to follow autonomous turning and U-turn. Keep the safety of robot and personnel. We do not recommend cleaning at night, but PhiCleaner must be the best choice for night cleaning. If you like PhiCleaner, you can subscribe to our channel or contact us anytime.